Engine operators want to avoid downtime caused by problems such as the insufficient cooling of the cylinder heads. It results from scale formation within the cooling spaces caused by inadequate cooling water treatment or the installation of non-genuine fuel injection nozzles. Proven by our laboratory examinations, the use of these can lead to increased combustion chamber temperature, which may result in thermal overload of the cylinder head. The insufficient cooling can lead to cylinder head failure, caused by cracks formed between the valve pockets and cooling water spaces because of the occurring thermal stress. For cylinder heads damaged in this way, third parties offer welding as a repair solution in order to extend their expected lifetime. However, welding as a repair method for cast parts is not recommended, as they are exposed to cyclical temperature variations during engine operation. These variations lead to expansion and contraction of the metal, which may cause the welded area to tear and the crack to reopen. Our investigations on welded cylinder heads have proven this effect. Furthermore, the use of this repair method requires not only approval from the classification societies for the general process of welding itself, but also for its specific application to cylinder heads manufactured by us. Cylinder heads for four-stroke engines are by nature a complex design. The passages for the inlet air, exhaust gas and fuel injection, as well as the cooling water passages, are included in one main cast part. These are normally manufactured from nodular cast iron. Of all the common metals, cast iron is probably the most difficult to repair when it fractures. The following problems have occurred with the shown cylinder head after being repaired by welding. Thermal stress can be caused in the metal, which leads to subsequent microcracking, or local stress if the metal cools too quickly. Porosity and other imperfections in the weld repair caused by surface contamination. The surface can contain excessive oxidation, which consequently gets enclosed in the weld. The different materials used during the welding process result in significantly reduced strength. In the end, the cost savings for repairing a cracked casting cannot compete against the advantages of replacing it. Caterpillar Motoren does not recommend welding as a repair option for cylinder heads. As an alternative, our REParts program provides an exchange solution, offering new, used or remanufactured cylinder heads at a competitive price level. We recondition our genuine MAK parts with state-of-the-art techniques, best-grade materials and continuous improvements. This ensures economic engine performance and lowers emissions while increasing reliability. Contact us for more information.